Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick, simple, bougie on a budget skincare routine. And when I say the skincare routine is like extremely affordable, this is just what I put on my face. You can put whatever you want on your face, but this is just what I do for my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I do. I don't use a lot of products. So the first thing you're going to want to do is wet your face. Now if you're by like a sink, which I'm not because I'm filming this, wet your face in the sink. But if you're not, I'm just gonna wet my face with this this cloth. So I'm gonna wet my face, and the first thing that I use as my cleanser is I use Noxzema. And y'all, when I say this stuff will make your skin so clear, I have the off-brand version, but it works just the same, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my skin. And Noxzema has like a eucalyptus kind of, it has eucalyptus oil in it, so it gives off like a tingling sensation whenever you put it on. And I kind of feel like that's what helps it to clear my skin up so much, because when I say I can have bumps on my face, or I can have just like acne, or not even, well, I don't really get much acne, but I do get like heat bumps, or just like dry skin or rough skin. And when I put this on, it literally takes it away like instantly. So usually what I do is I let this sit on my skin until it dries completely, but for the sake of this video I'm just going to rub it in really good, and then I'm going to take it off. And I can already start to feel it tingling, and for me it tingles the most in my T-zone. I'm not sure why that is, but I always start to feel it tingling first in my T-zone. So yeah, I'm just gonna rub this in. But y'all, Noxzema is the way to go. Like, you can literally find this at Walmart, you can find it at CVS, Walgreens, anywhere. This is the truth. Like, this stuff works wonders for my skin, but this is just what works for me. So if y'all have any cleansers that work for you guys, that kind of clear your skin up and just kind of overall even out your complexion, let me know down below, because I would definitely want to try it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and massage this into my skin. Ooh, it feels so good. It just feels like it's cleaning my face. All right, so once you have it all in, or all on your skin, you can go ahead and rinse it off. But like I said, I usually let mine sit on my face until it completely dries, and then I rinse it off. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and take it off, just to, you know, speed up this process a little bit. So, but you don't have to let it sit, because usually most people, I don't think most people let it sit on their face, but that's just what I do, because I feel like it kind of works for me that way. But yeah, this isn't like, it's not mandatory for it to sit on your face or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe it off, and y'all, I have a surprise. So the toner that I'm going to be using is homemade. I've used it once before, but I want to go ahead and show you guys the whole process for my skincare routine, and not just show y'all the toner. So let me just make sure I got all this off my face. But yeah, y'all, my face already looks glowy and kind of just shiny to me. Like, it looks really good. So what I'm going to use next is my own homemade toner using rice water. So this is the toner that I'm about to use on my face. This is just rice water, and I would definitely recommend refrigerating this, because you don't want it to start smelling funny or anything. So I would definitely recommend putting this in the fridge if you're going to make it. So I'm just gonna take a nice cotton ball and just douse this bad boy up. Oh, it's dripping. And then just kind of get in there. Just get in there real good, you know. And if I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at my phone, just so I can see what I'm doing, you know. And yeah. But if you did not know, rice water does have a lot of benefits, because you can also use it for your hair. You can use it for a lot of things. So yeah, it's very beneficial for your skin, and just what it has in it is very beneficial. So I'm just going to make sure I get it everywhere evenly. Spray it. I know I'm using a lot. I might as well just spray my face like a mist and then kind of dab it in. But I don't know, using this cotton ball, I just feel kind of fancy, because, you know, I just feel like I'm really doing something with this cotton ball. So that's what I'm going to do, just rub it all in. And I just gotta make sure I focus on it. Focus on my T-zone, because that's like my biggest problem area. So just gonna put a little bit more and then just dab it in my face. And you can also put like fragrance in it. I wouldn't put anything that's gonna irritate your skin, but maybe like a few drops of like peppermint oil or like lavender or something like that. So yeah. And then what I'm going to do next is we're going to focus on the eyes. You gotta do something with your eyes if you don't want to look tired and you don't want to look sleepy. So I'm gonna take this Olay Ultimate Eye Cream for dark circles, wrinkles, and puffiness. But I also have one for anti-aging, but I'm gonna pass on that one for now. I'm gonna just use the under eye cream. So what I'm going to do is take my, what is this, my ring finger. Going to take some of the product. Oh wow. I'm gonna take some of the product. I actually got a lot, but I'm gonna use this for both my eyes because I actually got a ton. So I'm gonna do that. Put that under my eyes, and then just using my ring fingers, y'all, because these are the softest, like they apply the least pressure out of all your fingers. So I'm just gonna take these and rub this in, just kind of wow. So far, based off of how it feels, I really like how this feels. And this is my first time using the eye cream from Olay, but so far I'm liking how it feels, and I'm feeling like it's giving me kind of like a glow under my eyes. But I won't be able to confirm that until I finish rubbing it in and I look in the viewfinder completely, because I'm just kind of glancing down at it right now. But we're going to look at it and see. Wow, I can actually tell a difference in the under eye area. So that is actually kind of shocking. But wow. Is this like makeup? What the heck is this? Why did this just brighten my whole face? And I think I brought it down a little too much, because I feel like I have on concealer now. Wow. And it's just moisturizer. So we're just gonna finish dabbing that in, and then after that I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer for my entire face. And what I usually like to use on my skin is shea butter, y'all, because it just gives me like just an overall glow, and my face stays moisturized all day. And I don't know about y'all, but I kind of have an oily T-zone, but at the same time sometimes it's like dry. So I'm gonna figure that it's like combination skin, because sometimes it's dry, sometimes it be moisturized. I just gotta wake up and see how my skin is feeling that day. But I'm gonna go in with this. I'm not gonna reach too high under my eyes, since I put that under eye cream under there. So I'll go in a little bit with the shea butter just to give it a little extra moisture. But that's about it. And then I'm gonna rub it into the rest of my face. And everyone always says to go up, don't rub your skin down. I probably have been doing that the whole time in this video, but I'm just gonna gently work this into my skin. So comment below, you guys, if you guys have a skincare routine and what your favorite products are and what products that you use that kind of saved your skin. I would love to know down below so I can see if I can use them as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna rub this in gently, and that is it. It's actually, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's a very simple skincare routine. I don't like putting too much stuff on my face or doing too much. As long as I have a good cleanser, a good moisturizer, and a good toner, I'm good to go. And I can show you guys a video. I can show you guys a video on how I make my toner if you're interested, because I do have a few fragrance and things in there just to kind of help, well, just for the scent and just for like the benefits of those few ingredients that I did add to it. But that is pretty much it. I know I look like a greasy, I don't know, I feel like a greasy slice of pizza or something, like just something greasy. That's what I feel like. But this definitely absorbs in my skin, but I just like the glow that it gives me, an overall glow that I can see on my skin. I just noticed a difference when I put shea butter on my skin. I just like how it does for my skin. You don't have to use it. You can use whatever moisturizer you like, but this is just what works for me. And this is just what kind of helps me keep my skin clear. And yeah, but I would say out of all of these, the most important thing that I use is the Noxzema cleanser. This is amazing. Like, it's amazing. It really does smooth your skin, and it just makes your skin feel a bunch softer. So yes, that is all for my skincare routine. It's very simple, super duper affordable. Literally, you can get all of these items for about under $15 for all of these items. So definitely let me know if this video was helpful for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit that notification bell if you have not already. Share this video as well if you would like, if you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I do appreciate you guys so much. Again, I want to say thank you for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So I did get a good amount of video requests for what I should do next on my channel. So it's really in between a what I eat in a day and dang, it was one other thing, or a natural hair video. So let me know what you guys want to see from that. Also, the braids, y'all, we're going strong. We still got the braids up under this wig, up under the unit. We're all good, so we're good there. But yeah, thank you guys again. Let me know what you guys want to see from me, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.